Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you how to put together your CalmDo Masticating Juicer. I just purchased this one for myself because I'm going to begin juicing my own natural juices. Now this is the main body of the juicer. The first thing you want to connect to the juicer is the feed barrel to the main body, which is this piece, and you want to turn it until you hear it click in place. Next, you want to align the hexagon screw shaft, which is this piece, into the main body and push it on the bottom. Then you want to align the semicircular metal piece of the juicer with the groove in the bottom of the feed tube, which is what I'm doing here. Then you want to screw the feed cylinder cover onto the cylinder tightly. Then you want to attach the tray to the top of the feed barrel. The juicer comes with these two containers. One is to collect the pulp and one is to collect your juice. Then after you've done all these things, you want to plug your juicer in. Now I'm going to be juicing an apple today. Make sure when you're juicing any fruit in this machine that it's cut in small pieces for it to be easily inserted into the juicer. Now I'm going to press start and I'm going to begin to juice my apple. I'm juicing one apple here today. Prior I juiced another apple, so you'll see later on in the video that I'll combine them together. So stick around to see the end results. So far I have to say that I really do like this juicer. It's my second time using it, and I'm really impressed with the way it juices and how it gets all the juice out of the pulp. I want to say most juices out of that pulp, so that's awesome. Oftentimes some juicers, even though it's juicing, you get less juice from the fruit. But this one seems to be doing the job perfectly. Now if you want to try this out, this juicer out, be mindful, I will definitely put this in the link so you could check it out later on. Here we go. So this is the juice that I juiced prior, and now here's this juice that I just showed you. So this is the juice of 2 apples, and look how much juice I got from that. Awesome. Almost a half glass. I'm really impressed with this juicer. And here goes the pulp. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on post notification to stay updated with my channel.